Today we're gonna show you how to make pickles, but with haste. First, rinse and thinly slice 4 Persian cucumbers. Then we're gonna macerate the cucumbers with some salt. Basically, that means we're gonna soften them up and make them perfect for pickling. Let them sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Once they've softened, rinse them off with some fresh water. Place the cucumbers into a jar and add 1½ tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, a pinch of chili flakes, a healthy amount of dill, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. And finally, we'll pour 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water into our jar. If we were making pickles through the longer fermentation process, we'd rely on bacteria creating lactic acid to lower the pH and pickle our cucumbers. However, in the quick pickle process, we're going to lower the pH ourselves by adding vinegar directly into the mix, speeding up the timeline. Seal it up, pop it in the fridge, and let it rest for an hour. Serve with your favorite sandwich, burgers, or hey, munch on them solo. Live your life.